This clip is about bolus administration using the Vigon closed system transfer device. For illustrative purposes, please presume that the female has been cleaned and flushed and patency is confirmed. In terms of cleaning, the Qimono male has a flat surface. If this is received from pharmacy, it should be cleaned before connecting to the female. I'll now demonstrate the procedure. Before we begin, it's important that bubbles are removed from the syringe in terms of removing the dead space air that's present in the male. You will see bubbles come up into the syringe, which indicates this process has completed once the bubbles cease. It's usually about 3 actions. I'll now clean the end of the device for 30 seconds and allow to dry. The bayonet connector, the male and female come together to create a secure fit, and the drug is then administered according to the prescription. To disconnect, clamp the line, twist and disconnect with a saline flush to complete.